Here's how we can use Edge Panels or the Sidebar on Samsung Galaxy A17. So first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, if you scroll down, you should be able to find the display options. So let's go ahead and open it. And then scroll down again in order to find Edge Panels. So first of all, in order to use Edge Panels, of course, we need to make sure that it is enabled. Besides that, you can go to Handle in order to customize the handle that we have by default on the right side in Displays. And also we can go to Panels in order to choose what you should have in that sidebar. By default, we use it for apps, but you can also add contacts, you can add tasks, and some other information as well. And for example, if you have apps selected, you can tap on Edit over here in order to choose what apps you should have over here. So you can remove apps that you don't want to see on the sidebar, and you can tap on apps that should be included over there. So let's say I'm going to open these, I'm going to include these apps over here, and there we go. Besides that, here in the top right corner, we have these three dots that allow you to turn on or off this smart select that we have available in this place. You can also choose how you can open split screen view, and you can also show recent apps as well, and show or hide app names. And there we go. Now in order to, of course, open the sidebar, you can just move it towards the middle of the screen. If you have multiple different apps, then they will be listed over here. You might need to scroll down or something. You can tap on this pen icon over here in order to edit these apps, and over here on the left side, right next to the pen, we have these dots, which is the app drawer. So you can quickly open the full list of apps that you have installed on your smartphone in order to switch an app to something else. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.